So, these fucking turkeys won't let me leave. I'm right here in Pensauken, and there's these fucking turkeys or something. It's like they escaped from a fucking ranch. What's that? You need directions? I got nuts set. Oh, that was pissed off. Yeah. Look, there's a whole flock of them fucking things. What are you? Whoa, that's not a worm on his face. It's not a worm on his face. Oh, yo, you're a good turkey and you know it. Yeah. Alright, turkeys. It's been fun. It's been real, but it hasn't been real fun. Stop biting my tires! Stop! Go, turkeys! Stop biting the tires! I'm gonna run you over, you fucking turkeys. Stop biting it! Hey! Get out of here! Go! Hey! This isn't fun, you're gonna die! This isn't fun! This stopped being fun a while ago! Fucking turkeys! Fucking turkeys! What? Fucking turkeys!